Hi everyone, welcome back to PooLin's channel. Christmas is coming and today we are making this super cute young embroidered hoodie, created right here with our PooLin machine. It's this one, fluffy, cute and full of Christmas vibes. You can totally make one yourself to give as a gift or wear it yourself. Alright, let's check out what we need today. A hoodie, thread, some fluffy yarn, tearaway stabilizer, and of course, our PooLin embroidery machine. Oh, and a quick heads up, remember the yarn embroidery I shared in my shorts? You guys love it! And after testing, here is what we found works best. If you use the single needle machine, we recommend use yarn up to 1 cm thick, while for multi-needle machines, 2 cm thick works great. Hoodie fabrics is usually quite thick, so I will add a layer of stabilizer on the back. Then I will stretch the fabric as flat as possible and make sure the hoop is tight. This way, the yarn embroidery comes out dimensionally, even, and doesn't collapse. We want that yarn to pop, like cute little clouds. Today I pick a simple Christmas lettering design, but feel free to switch it out for your own word or name. After adjusting it to the position you want to embroider, remember to press the trace button to double check. Next, let's grab a thread color that's close to our yarn. First, stitch the positioning line. The line will serve as a guide for the yarn embroidery later. Please pay special attention here. To ensure embroidery safety, set the needle speed to the lowest. Okay, now for the fun part. We are going to lay our yarn right along the positioning line we just stitched. Gently place the yarn so it sits flat on the fabric. Don't pull it tight and don't let it float in the air. Make sure each stitch goes through the yarn, following the direction of the positioning line. Pre-place your yarn and you can adjust it continuously during stitching. Our fluffy yarn section is all done. Now it's time to move on to the flat stitch part. Swap in another color of thread and let the machine do its magic. Look, it's finished! Here is the embroidery we did with the fine yarn. Next, we will switch to the big machine and use chunky yarn. Just like before, we are gonna hook everything up and get the setup ready. Also, make sure to slow the stitching speed down. And switch your stitch mode to AM. Then we are doing the same steps as before. Start with the placement stitch. After that, grab your yarn and follow along the positioning stitch. Keep the yarn in place, and just let it stitch slowly all the way through. Easy and cute. Take a look at our finished piece. So adorable, right? And just like that, your fluffy Christmas hoodie is done. If you love this cozy style, follow for more Christmas embroidery ideas. See you next time!